Gentlemen, winners of the CFU Club Shield tournament, Arnett Gardens, Jamaica.
It's easy to forget, but Cavalier weren't the first JPL team to win a regional title last season. No, that honor belonged to Arnett Gardens, but 12 months later, can the Junglers do it all over again? Yeah, people, welcome back to JPL Fan. And so the annual Caribbean Club Summer Showcase, the CFU Shield, is back and will take place in the Twin Island Republic at Trinidad and Tobago, starting on July 26 and going all the way through to August 3rd. And just like last year, Arnett Gardens will be Jamaica's sole representative in this year's staging as they look to defend their title. But before we break down the Junglers and their opponents, let's look at the changes to the tournament that comes into effect this year. Gone are the lose one and done single elimination rounds of last year, as the 2025 edition will be broken down in 3 stages. First, we now have the switch format group stage where all 24 participating clubs will split into an even 4 groups of 6. Each team will only play 2 matches at each stage, and the Junglers will need to top their group to make it to the semi-final. And if you find this particular change to the format a little weird, well, here's a quick explanation by the CFU themselves.
It's commonly used in different competitions, so we thought it would have been best for us to use it in this competition. So you match up teams according to their strengths, according to how other teams would have done in the past in the tournament, using different coefficients and stuff, which also ensures that your stronger team also makes it as far as possible in the competition, because of course you want quality in your competition. You want stronger teams to have the best chance to go forth and represent and things like that. So that was the main reason we decided to go with this Swiss format for this year.
Well, there you have it, and I personally must say, I wasn't the biggest fan of its use in the Nations League either. This time, Arnett will face a lower-ranked team in Dublanc before facing the home team AC Port of Spain, with not only 6 points being on their mind, but also a decent goal difference to ensure their passage to the next round. And if they get there, they will play another group stage winner on August 1st in the semi-finals, and if all things go as planned, they will then head to the final on August 3rd. But it all begins this Sunday, July 27th, at the Bolton Stadium in Cova, where Arnett will meet Dominican club Dublanc FC. And unlike their Jamaican counterparts, Dublanc are fully into their season and even currently top their table with 11 wins, no losses in 14 games, scoring an impressive 49 goals while only conceding a mere 9. So they should be brimming with confidence and match sharpness. As for the Junglers, well, I'm a little worried, to be honest. Unlike last year, where Arnett entered the tournament with a very stable structure, this time around, things are a bit chaotic. Gone is their successful head coach of the last 2 seasons in Xavier Gilbert, along with a host of their first-team regulars, including Philando Wing and Jaheim Thomas. The status of club legend Fabian Reed is still up in the air after his contract expired at the end of last season, and Golden Boot winner Warner Brown is rumored to be absent for the club at the moment. In response, the Junglers did turn to proven local coach Philip Williams to lead the ship. As well, they brought back the talented winger Demar Deacon to add an attacking punch up front. But players' movement aside, you would think that this tournament came a little too early for Williams to ingrain his more pragmatic playing style into a team that has been playing a free-flowing possession style of football the last couple of years. And rumors of internal strife among the players and club officials so far this pre-season certainly doesn't help. Regardless, there's no doubt they head into this first match as clear favourites and will look to start the new season with a win. Their second match, however, will be a different story. After their first match with Dublanc FC, the Junglers would then again be in action only 1 day later against the home team AC Port of Spain, which should be a tougher match. Then, as stated before, if all goes to plan, Arnett will then face the winners of Group C for a spot in the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup. And that team, at least on paper, should be Police FC, another home team and one they faced in the Caribbean Cup last year. So it could be a fairly tough route to qualification this time around for the Junglers. But that's all I got for this quick CFU Shield preview. Of course, as fans of Jamaican football and the JPL, we wish the Junglers all the best in the tournament, and hopefully they get the job done so we can have 3 JPL teams in the Caribbean Cup. But let me know in the comment section below what you think of Arnett prospects this time of retaining their title, or at least to qualify for that said Caribbean Cup. I should also mention that the matches will be shown live on CFU YouTube page, so you can watch Arnett in action starting at 6 p.m. this Sunday. And I will end with this. If you want more information on the upcoming Caribbean Cup, you can watch this video here where we look at Cavaliers' tough group draw, or you can look on this video on about Arnett's last year performance in this competition. Otherwise, with great JPL content, you're already at the right place. Jump your fan. YouTube, big up yourself.